In this video, we're going to learn on a Google Calendar how to create a day-specific but not time-specific event. And we will set up reminders and we will make it a recurring event. So I'm just going to pretend like my son Michael's birthday is on November 30th, and I want some notification every year so I can plan and properly remember him and celebrate him on his birthday. Okay? So if I wanted to do a specific time, as you know, I would click in one of these boxes and it would create a specific time event. But I don't want this to be a specific time event. I want this to be basically a day event. So in order to do that, I need to go above the boxes where there's specific times and click right up here underneath Saturday the 30th. Okay? Then I need to add the title. I'm going to say Michael's birthday. Okay? And then I'm going to go to more options. And instead of does not repeat, I'm going to click the drop down arrow and I'm going to say annually on November 30th. And then I'm going to add a notification. I want a notification 1 week beforehand. And I want a notification 3 days beforehand. And then just in case I'm really got a lot going on, I'm going to add a notification basically 1 hour before 9 o'clock. Actually I'll do 2 hours before 9 o'clock because school's in session. I don't want it to happen during school. It's not going to let me do... Oh, and I actually meant for that one to be an email. I meant for that one to be an email. And I'm going to do... Okay, so I've got an email notification 1 week before. I've got an email notification 1 day before. And since it's not time specific, it's not going to let me choose minutes. So I'm just going to be happy with what I already have. 1 day reminder and 1 week reminder save. Okay? So there I have Michael's birthday on Saturday 30th. I have reminders. And if I'm just going to show you really fast. If I go ahead to November 2020 and I click ahead to November 30th, there's his birthday. It's going to be on there forevermore until I delete it. There you go. So easy.